Okay, so today we didn't bring any spare parts, so we really can't fuck up.
Yes. No fucking up for today. So, Mitchell, you're switching up your wheels there.
Yeah, man, they get too coned.
Coned wheels. Coned wheels. So is that because you've been riding this hill right there? That one? Yeah? Yeah?
No, it's because I want ice cream.
Oh, Mitchell wants ice cream. Well,
Sector 9 wheels.
they are round.
Phantom bushings, they're round too.
Yes, lots of round things. Yes. And now it is raining. And that sucks a lot. Does that not suck, Mitch?
Blows hard dick, dude.
Yes, Mitch. Mitch is right, it blows hard dick.